want to stay in the middle of our lane because that provides a bigger margin of safety on all sides. The Palisade's Lane Following Assist, or LFA, can help. It uses a camera mounted on the windshield to detect lane markers on the roadway. It gently adjusts steering to help keep you right in the center. But LFA only works once it is activated. Make sure that the ignition is on. For models with a digital display, press the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle Settings. Then Driver Assistance. Then Driving Assist. You'll see the Lane Following Assist feature. For models without the digital display, use the LCD display control button on the right side of the steering wheel to get to the User Settings menu. Then Driver Assistance. Then Driving Assist. You'll see the Lane Following Assist feature. In both cases, check the box for Lane Following Assist to activate it. Once the feature is selected, an indicator on the instrument panel illuminates. At first it's white. That means the system is enabled but not active. To be enabled, Smart Cruise Control must be activated. Your speed must be below 93 miles per hour. And LFA must detect lane markers on both sides of your vehicle. When it does, the indicator will turn green. LFA is ready to do its job. You'll see a graphic of your vehicle on the road with lane markers on either side. If a lane marker is detected, its color will change from gray to white. LFA will not be active if you have your turn signal on or when you steer the vehicle out of the center of your lane. And it may not fully function in certain bad weather or road conditions. For a full list of circumstances in which the system may not be active, see your owner's manual. So remember, you are the one steering your vehicle. Lane Following Assist can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.